Hello, good morning friends. Today I am going to show you how to repair your aquarium air pump, and you can use it for decades. I am using this pump for last 30 years, another one for last 25 years. So let's start. Behind the aquarium pump you have 4 screws which you have to open. Okay, after opening this, you will see here is a rubber, here is a transformer, AC to DC. Okay, if it gets burn out, then doing repairing of this won't work, because I tried with my 2 pumps earlier, but that doesn't stay long. Okay, so normally when your silent pump start giving sound, you have to check this rubber, because you will see cracks here, so you have to replace it with another rubber like this. Okay, and your pump will work again fine. But after replacing this rubber, still you are not getting the desired airflow. Then you have to open this section. You can see the notch. This gets inside this rubber, and this is the right hand side, outer side, fitted with a screw. So then you have to check with the valves. I hope you can see inside it a longer valve is fitted, and on the right hand side a shorter valve is fitted. You have to take it out and clean it. If it is worn out, then you have to replace it with the same size and thickness of the valve. So for that you have to buy the valve sheet, which is very rare to get. Long time back I purchased it. If you get it, you will get it in a very good pet shop or aquarium shop, and they can charge you anything 50 to 100 rupees for this sheet, but normally it's rare one. So for that you can use a balloon, not too big, not too small, not too thick. Cutting this will work as a valve. Okay, so the valve sizes are like this. Left hand side rubber side one is longer, right hand side fitted with the screw is the shorter one. You have to put it in this section. Okay, then your pump will start working fine again, and will be soundless. No sound will be coming and no jerking will be happening. But the moment you see it's giving sound or jerking, then always know that you need to clean the valves or replace the valves. So let me show you after repairing how my pump is working. So here is my aquarium. You see, I have replaced the valves. Okay, and the pump is working soundless. And it is working very fine. You can see. So that's all. That is the funda, and you can use it for decades as I am using it. So thank you for watching, and do subscribe to my channel and give your love and support to me like this. Thank you once again.